Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this style today, the Knotless Jumbo Box Braids, you will need a leave-in conditioner. I also use the black castor oil, a scalp conditioner, and you will obviously also need a crochet. Yeah, so for this style, first you're gonna part your hair. I wanted my braids to be big, like the jumbo box braids obviously. So I parted very big, like big parts, and then I went in and added all the products. So first I added the leave-in conditioner, the scalp conditioner, and then I added the castor oil, and then I went and like detangled my hair with a brush. You can use your hands to detangle, but yeah. So what you want to do next is braid it. So braid it like halfway, like that. Braid your hair halfway. Learned this method from Chef B on YouTube. So she's the one that I saw this method from, and I was like, ooh, I want to try that. And I really think this method works really well on 4C hair. Like, it makes it so much easier. And what you want to do is like not make the braid too tight. So that's a mistake that I made. I made like this braid way too tight, and when I was trying to insert the braiding hair, it was like really hard and it like hurt a little bit. So make sure that this braid that you're doing here is not too tight. So yeah, make sure that you're doing that. So what I wanted to do for me, I really wanted to braid, like part my hair, all of my hair first before I start braiding. So yeah, that's what I did. I basically parted my whole head and braided it like as I've been doing. So basically you add all your products and then braid it. So I parted my whole head before I started like braiding because I don't know, I just feel like that process will be easier, but you can do it however you want to. You can part your hair and braid as you go, but I just really wanted to get the parting over with first before I started inserting the braiding hair and like braiding my hair. So yeah, like I said before, guys, as you can see, I'm making my hair way too tight. So don't make it like super tight. Make sure that it's not like loose but not too tight where it was gonna hurt you when you're inserting the braiding hair. So yeah, we're almost done here. So I'm done here parting my hair. As you can see, my parts are like super big. I noticed like later that I really should have like made my parts a little bit smaller, but the braids still came out really nice, so that's fine. So yeah, here I am done parting my hair, and now I'm gonna grab my braiding hair. As you can see, I'm using this color. I think this is T27. Okay, so here I'm almost through in my hair. I have 3 more braids left, and when I was braiding it, I noticed that my hair was getting super dry, like the tips was getting super dry, so I twisted it to make sure that my hair stays stretched so it could be easier to braid. So basically, you know how I braided the hair like halfway? So after that, I went and like twisted the hair, as you can see. Like I just like twisted it that way my hair could stay stretched, because I was really having a hard time trying to braid it before like it was twisted and it was getting frizzy, and it's just like it was not, the braid was not looking good. So I had to make sure that my hair is stretched before I braid it. Okay, so for this method, what you're gonna do is insert your crochet hook onto the root of your braid, like the braid that you started with. So you will insert it and then attach some braiding hair into the hook and then pull out. Make sure you're not pulling out the whole strand. Make sure that you're just pulling one side of the strand as I'm doing, and leaving the other one on the other side. Okay, so you're gonna repeat this same process with another strand with the same size as the first one, and then you will see how I start braiding it down. So this process is very easy. Like, this method is very easy. It's very convenient for those of you who don't know how to grip hair, you don't know how to start a braid, but you know how to braid. This method is for you. So if you know how to do a braid, you know how to braid, but you just have a hard time gripping, this method is for you. Like, this method works. So yeah, go ahead and insert the second strand of the braiding hair and pull out. Be very careful with this, and like I said, it was kind of painful because I made the under braid very tight, so it was kind of hard to insert the braiding hair. So that's why you want to make sure that your the braid that you made in the beginning is not too tight. So I went and like untwisted the hair that I had twisted to stretch my hair. So what you want to do is grab some like borrow some braiding hair from each strand, like not too much, like a little bit. So borrow like some braiding hair from each strand and join it with your real hair, like join it with the under braid of your real hair, and then you will start braiding like this. Yeah, so from here you're just gonna braid all the way down. I really wanted my braids to be long, so like towards the end I did add some hair, like as how you would add hair in a feed-in braid. But yeah, that's not the main point of this video. This video is just like to show you the method that I'm using. So yeah, from here you just braid all the way down, and that's basically all you have to do. Like, that's it. And yeah, you just continue braiding down and you're done. Okay, so now I have 2 more braids left, and I'm gonna let you guys just watch this process. And yeah, as you will see later that I kind of forgot to untwist the twist, but I did untwist it when I noticed that it wasn't untwisted. So I did untwist it. With this braid, you're gonna see it, and you're just gonna be like, girl, you forgot to untwist the hair. But I did untwist it as when I got to the twisted part. I did untwist it. So yeah, and now I'm gonna let you guys watch the process, and then I'll be back once I am done with these 2 braids. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm finally done with the hairstyle. I've done my makeup and I've done my edges, and yeah, this is basically the final look. They are so big. I didn't recognize how big they were until I was done. I think I could have went like a bit smaller, but it's okay. I still like it. It's super long. Well, not super long, but it's like butt length long. I really like the color. I feel like the color looks good on me. Like, yeah, it's good. So now I'm gonna decorate it. I usually like the gold color of these, but since the braids are already this color, I'm gonna go with this. Okay, so that's done. I also really want to add like these, but they're so tiny, like they're so small. I don't know if, okay, they can fit like right here. Okay, it looks cute, it looks good. I want to try and see if I can put it up in a ponytail. Whew. It's still so stiff, like it's still so stiff. It kind of, okay, so you can definitely put it up in a ponytail. So you can definitely, yeah, I think I like this. I think I like it up. You can style it however. I think I like the ponytail. Oh, it's still so stiff, like it hurts. Alright guys, so this will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe and share this video, and also give me a like and a comment down below, and also stay safe out here, okay? Bye guys!